reveal, and I'd like to tell you about a little history of the world. Chapter 1. Once upon a time. You probably know that everyone was young before. But for example, we were young now, but our mums and our mums and our grandmas and our great grandmas and our great grandmas, and it all comes to the beginning. Now let's imagine that this history is a bottomless well. Now let's light up a piece of paper and throw it down into the well. You'd see it for a moment, but then you'd see it slowly disappearing into an abyss of darkness. Think of this as your memory. For example, we use it to light up the past. So let's say we go running after it. We go down, down, down until like the Diplodocuses, and then even before when there were any inhabitants, and even before there was the sun, and even before when the earth was just stars and galaxies. So like you can go back into the really big past, like for example, when there weren't even earth, like there weren't even sun or day or light or day or the sun anymore, our good old sun. But now look, this is this going back in time is making us very dizzy. Quick, let's go back to our plants, trees, dinosaurs. Let's go back. It's kind of like feeling like home when you come back into your own thing, and we call it history, and we shout stop. But when did that happen? And we also ask, how did it happen? We ask this story, our story, the history of the world. Shall we begin? That's all for today. Bye bye.